Today we're unboxing a new LG device, the Q7, a new mid-ranger by LG. Without any further ado, let's jump straight into the box and see what it hides. The first thing that we can see is the phone itself, but we'll check it out a little bit later. Next on, we have a cleaning cloth, some paperwork, the warranty card, user manuals, a SIM tray tool, and some more paperwork. We have an LG charging brick and a USB Type-C charging and data transfer cable. Sadly, we don't have any headphones here. Let's peel off this foil and turn the device on. This was the unboxing of the LG Q7. Stay tuned for the full review.